And here are the batteries in the battery box. I just checked the battery levels for the water. Got a little bit of battery acid on my fingers. It burns and stings. Ow. Now I hit my head on the frickin' companionway door. So it's all wired up. You can hear the cooling fan for the batteries spinning. Let's try turning on some stuff. Main, no power problems. Bilge pump ran the bilge dry. Cabin lights. No fuses blown. Everything feels cool. I could turn on the refrigerator. That would be an interesting test. Everything seems to be working, which is super fantastic. I don't think I'm going to leave the fridge on. I think what I'm going to do now is hook up to shore power, see if everything works on shore power. This is nerve-wracking. Just so much electrical has been disconnected and redone. It's just trying to think of every place I've rewired a connection and how can I check it to make sure, you know, that nothing is wrong anywhere. So I hooked up to shore power and I tried to flip on the battery charger and I forgot that I needed to come back. See these 3 positive terminals? Since I'm only charging to one bank from there, all 3 of them are supposed to be jumpered, and I completely forgot to do that. And my first thought was, oh crap, I burned out the charger, which would really suck because those things aren't particularly cheap, and I don't want to spend money on a new one because once I leave I won't use it very much, so you know, I don't want to have to buy another one. But now I'm getting no signal from the polarity test. I should get a green light there, and I have no power at the outlets, which is telling me that I tripped the breaker in the building I'm plugged into. So I got to go down and hit a reset on that, and then I'll fix the charger and hopefully, or well, fix, I don't know if it's broken or not, I'll wire it correctly and try to flip it back on and see what happens. So I've got mixed, I don't know what to say. I'm kind of, the boat is back on battery power, and that's, there's nothing to see because I covered it up, but the boat is back on battery power. I can flip on the mains, flip on the cabin lights, and I have actual power on the boat. So all that work I did with the batteries and everything, it's all hooked up and it seems to be working fine. I plug the boat into the wall via shore power. The cable's still out there, and I have this little light. Here you press the button and the light comes on green if you got good AC, and you press that and it's good, but as soon as I hit the main, it pops the GFI on the wall where I'm plugged in. It's without any of these being on, so it's, I think the GFI is just really sensitive, so I need somewhere else to plug into. There could also be something wrong with the AC, obviously, except that there's the only bit of AC circuitry that I messed with at all is the battery charger. So if the battery charger is off on the breaker switch, you know, even if I wired something wrong, it shouldn't be able to pop fuses. So I'm not sure what to think, and I'm also not sure how to test it more extensively right now.